Hello and welcome. This is day 3 of the 5 days of fall collab, and it is also Freebie Friday for September 25th. So here is today's freebie. It's 2 tags and 2 postcards, lots of butterflies and a pocket that coordinate with the 5 days of fall kit, as well as the journaling pages. All right. And then here is Julie's day 3, and the other part of the day 3 are these fun tags. So today, it's lots of tags. Today I wanted to do an idea that I got from another YouTuber. Her channel is MudHut2880, and I will have her links below with the video that I am referring to, and she made the cutest over the page tag dangles, and I thought today would be a really fun day to do that since there's lots of tags today. So I have backed my tags with coffee dyed paper. I did some stitching around, and I also have my ephemera here. I also have my other bits. And I have some Dollar Tree ribbon that I thought matched really well. So I have this funky chain. I'm pretty sure I got this from Joann's. It has lots of circles. And then from Amazon a while back, I got this really cool set of metal charms. BB Craft also sells the same pack. But I thought these leaves were really cool. And then I have some jump rings from my stash, and then one of the Tim Holtz fastener things that she also uses in her video. So let's see. I think I'm gonna use this one, and oh, it's a paper clip. Oh yeah. So I need my paper clips and scrap paper. I thought I had everything. I'll be right back. All right, I'm back. I have my paper clips and some scrap paper. I'm just going to use my leftover coffee dyed paper. And this is to cover the paper clip that's going to go on the back. So I'm just going to fold. I'm going to have the tag part shorter, the top of the tag, I should say, and then this part longer. And let's make sure, though, I want to cover my paper clip all the way. Yeah, okay. I'm going to get a piece of paper that's going to go in here, and then this is going to cover the paper clip, and it allows it to be the hidden tuck spot. I'm going to put my paper clip on here. And then I'm going to glue this onto my tag. So yes, I will have her tutorial of how to make these linked below. Such a cool idea. When I saw it, I'm like, oh my gosh, yes, I have to make one ASAP. Super, super cute. All right, so I'm gonna fold that down, smush, smush. Just trim this off because I don't really want, it's gonna be attached to the page, so I guess it doesn't really matter. And then I think I'm gonna use this other one here. So I'm gonna do the same thing. Fold that down, get my scrap. Make sure that this, okay. And then I'm gonna glue this paper clip onto my tag. Like that. So then you can just slide this on a page like that. Okay, so we have that ready. Let's quickly decorate the other side because you'll see both. And I was thinking for this one, I'm going to cut out these deer and put that on here. So I will be right back. All right, so I trimmed around the deer, and then I have a piece of coffee dyed paper. I'm just going to layer those up, maybe a little ink around my edges. We'll kind of layer that up right there towards the bottom. A little glue. Like that. We could put, do we want a label? I don't know. We'll come back to that. Okay, so that side is good for now. And then this side, I need my hole punch. I'm going to punch a hole. Could have done this before I glued it, because now is my paper clip in the way? Yes, it is. Of course it is. I'm going to scoot that out of the way. There we go. Punch it. And then let's get our funky, need that, take that off. And then this is going to dangle down the page. So let's go to here. And I'm going to cut this one off. All right, and then this guy, the Tim Holtz piece, is going to go here. And I'm going to fold, go back down. I might need a little glue in there, but let's see how it goes. And then I can open this ring. And I can slide this guy on here, like that. And then we have this jump ring. I can add this little charm, and then add this to my little dangly. And then add this piece down here. And then open this, slide the charm on, put it on the chain, and then close this up. But the thing that I thought was super cute with hers was she also used paper pieces. So let's add a butterfly. I'm going to cut one of these out from the Friday Freebie. I could do some glossy accents on this, but for right now, I'm just going to punch a hole so you can kind of get the idea. Again, check out her video because she was very thorough and had an excellent tutorial. I'm kind of going quick with it. And then I'm going to add that. I think a smaller jump ring again. And then we'll add this. And then add this. And how cute is that? And then I'm trying to see if I have a page. Cardstock, just because it is thicker, and it will show you. So then this will go on your journal page like that. And if you don't want it to dangle this much, so like maybe this might be a little too long, you could then change your chain and make it a little shorter. But then it's just a fun little dangly thing. And then you have on the other side the decoration. Super cute. All right, I'll be right back. Okay, so after I stopped the camera, or my filming, I decided to go back and use, it's not glossy accents, it is the Nouveau version Crystal Glaze, just to make the butterflies and the flowers a little bit more sturdy, since this is just the paper that I printed the digital on. And so, and then I also added an eyelet, because when it was just the paper, that it was slipping out. Even if I kept trying to close my jump ring, and you can still see that there's a little bit of a gap, but the eyelet can't slip through that gap, but the paper could. So that's what I did. And then here's the other one, and this one I added some ribbon, and then from the Friday Freebie, I think. Yeah, I think that's from the Friday Freebie. I did the butterfly and then a flower and then another leaf charm. So that one's a pretty big dangle. So let me show you, where'd my paper go? Well, here, I'll just use one of these. It's gonna be in my journal. This will just slide over the page like this. And then it just dangles off the edge, and then you have this side where you could put a tag, or here like this. You could stick a tag, since it's a paper clip, underneath. And yeah, so I decorated that. These are the Tim Holtz, what are they, funky foliage that I put together, and then some of the pieces from Julie's page, and then the tag, or the ticket from my page, or the Friday Freebie, I can't remember. So yeah, that just goes like that. And then let me show you this one. And that one dangles like that. And here's the other side. I did add that circle and then a little bit of lace. Super cute. I love these. I love them. All right, I think I'm going to use the Friday Freebie now. Oh, there's my paper I needed. I need to cut these out, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've cut out my pieces. So I have these bits and over here, and then I was going to work on my layered tags. So this is kind of what I'm thinking. Oh, to the bigger card, I added coffee dyed paper, did stitching around both, like that. And then, yeah, so let's kind of layer it up. Yeah, a little bit drippy. And then I thought, since I'm covering up that butterfly, I'm going to use this butterfly on the top. And then if you see it on the side, it'll be like a little dimensional. I might just glue the center of this guy, so you kind of purposely do see it back there. There. All right, and then I'm going to add this label in the corner. Well, you know what? Before we add, let's use some of this. This is what I used on layering of the tag. Just to use a little bit of this. Give it just another layer. There we go, and then we can add this. And then I have our other little butterfly. that guy right here. Oh. All right, so there is the postcard. Cute. And then let's do the tag. Using this chain around, and this guy's also on. Let's stick this tag underneath. And a little here, and then a little flower. Super cute. Just love their tags. Love them. All right, let's see. You want this on the top, or I do. This is sample fabric, and it's what I use to make my cover for my 5 days of fall journal. I'm gonna stitch across here really quick. I'll be back in. All right, so there is the tag and the postcard. We'll put that with our other things. And then for the pocket, I think I'm just simply going to make it a pocket. Okay, so I fussy cut. I'm going to use some more of that fabric behind just to kind of tie in all the blue. And then add on the pumpkin. Like that. And I think we'll just add some fabric as the tab, and we'll call this guy good. Okay, so here are the things I made with the Freebie Friday and the 2 day 3 collab pages. I have my layer tags, my other tag, my 2 over the top paper clips tags. I'm not sure what you call those. My little pocket, and then here are my little leftovers that I can use for collage bits later on. And yeah, if you would like to download the freebie for today, go to Cara, Brandon and Friends. I also have the links if you're interested in getting the 5 days of fall collab kits. They're also listed below, along with all of the design team from Julie's design team and my design team and all of their YouTube channel, so you can also see what they did with today's day 3. All right, I hope you have a wonderfully crafty day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.